What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got this truck all the way from California, Bay Area. This thing is badass diesel, sitting on some American forces. The audio on this is crazy, but it came down, Rob's Customs. Get a panoramic installed, Titan window, some black suede, and some starlights. Full package. Check it out. We got the roof cut up already. We restarted on it. We got it yesterday. Came in, dropped it off. I started a little bit on it, started taking out the visors and all that. But here she is. Like I said, you can see the audio in this. It's crazy. And then he has a console that goes all the way to the back. Damn, this thing's crazy. We are going with the Titan window, so it's a good thing this thing moves forward. We'll be able to put our Titan window kit there, and then we'll put the window in. We'll cut that up. That way we can trim it and put this back. He did leave the back seats out, so all you'll see is the Titan window be installed, and all you'll see is the little bracket down for the regulator right there. Yeah, this thing is badass. Alright, let's keep going. Alright guys, we got the panoramic installed. Check it out. Oh, that looks good. Now we're working on the headliner now. We're gonna cut the headliner out. I already cut it out. We're gonna wrap it in suede, and then we're gonna take it inside to the wife and daughter. They're gonna start the starlights, and as they do that, we're gonna power this roof up, run the drains on all four corners, and then once we get powered and we're waiting for the starlights, that takes a long time. It takes about 4 to 5 hours. We're gonna start with the Titan window and get that all installed. Hopefully get everything done by later tonight. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we got the window out for the Titan window. We got the center cut out. I did spray it, that way it doesn't create any rust on the inside. Getting ready to put the window weld urethane on it. We'll put the window in, bolt it in place, and then use my custom kit for the Titan window. Hit me up if you need a custom kit. It comes with a bracket, custom made bracket, holds the regulator up, seal, window seal goes around it. It just makes it cleaner. That way you don't have the edge to the cab and to the glass and the glue sticking out. And it comes with a universal button, wire diagram, and shipping. Hit me up. Check it out, guys. Badass. There she is, guys. All done. Got the green starlights to match the green on the inside. Check it out. Badass. Bodywork's done. He did have me shave and delete the 2 antennas. Titan window button here. Looking good. All the way from the Bay Area.